Hey, what's up everyone? If you want to get the most out of your Amazon Fire Stick, there are a few important settings you should change right away. These settings can help save storage space, prepare your Fire Stick for app installations, and improve your privacy by limiting the amount of data shared with Amazon. In this video, I'll walk you through each setting step by step. The entire process only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. Before we begin, if you stream regularly on your Fire Stick, I highly recommend using NordVPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, helping keep your online activity private and secure. Whether you're streaming at home or using public Wi-Fi, NordVPN provides fast speeds, excellent security, and an extra layer of protection while using your Fire Stick. If you'd like to check it out, you'll find the link in the description below. Now let's begin. From the Fire Stick home screen, open Settings. Scroll over and select Applications. Scroll down and open Auto Offload. If Auto Offload is currently turned off, switch it on. This feature automatically removes apps you haven't used in a while keeping your app data, helping free up storage space without permanently deleting everything. Now press the Home button to return to the home screen. Open Settings once again. This time select My Fire TV. If you don't already see Developer Options, open About. Now press the Select button on your remote 7 times on your Fire TV device name. You'll see a message confirming that Developer Options has been enabled. Press the Back button. You should now see Developer Options. Open Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps. Scroll down and turn Downloader on. This allows the Downloader app to install APK files when needed. Now press the Back button until you return to the Settings menu. Open Preferences. Select Data Usage Monitoring. If you don't use this feature, you can turn data usage monitoring off. Go back and open Privacy Settings. First, select Collect App Usage Data and turn it off. Next, select Interest-Based Ads and turn them off. These settings reduce the amount of information used to personalize ads and recommendations. Now go back once more. Open Manage Sharing from Apps. If Share App Viewing Content Info to personalize Fire TV is turned on, switch it off if you prefer not to share app viewing information for personalized recommendations. That's it. You've now configured some of the most useful settings on your Amazon Fire Stick. Your device is better prepared for installing apps, has improved privacy settings, and can automatically help manage storage through auto offload. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Amazon Fire Stick tutorials, hidden settings, troubleshooting guides, software updates, official app installations, and tips and tricks. I upload new Fire Stick videos every week to help you get the most out of your streaming device. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, enjoy your streaming, and I'll see you in the next video.